Hello guys. Today I'll be taking us on the step-by-step process on how to make an image, like a picture to talk, right? Turning your picture to images, make it say what you want, customize it the way you want for it to speak what you want. For those that are making faceless YouTube channels, that are doing advertising, content creation, and then you don't want your face to be visible, you can generate AI, you can generate avatar and make this avatar speak what you want. Or you can equally use your photo. That is, if you want your face to be out there and then you are this person that is camera shy, you don't know what to say, you feel when you speak you're not going to be fluent, people will not want to listen to you. You can use your photo, give this AI a prompt, and this AI is going to generate your image speaking what you want it to speak very fluently. And the sweet thing about this AI is you can make it sound the way you want. You can customize it to sound friendly. You can customize it to sound sweet. You can customize it to sound harsh. So you can customize this AI to speak the way you want. Yes, you can customize it to speak the way you want. And there are several voices there. You can use a male voice, you can use a female voice, right? So you can use any voice you want. This AI is amazing. It's going to make your static image to speak. Yes, just give it a prompt and it's going to make your static image speak. Let me take you to the step-by-step process where you can make your static image to speak. So you quickly go to your browser and type DID, you enter. So once you type the ID, you're going to come down to this part. You can see this part where it says DID, the choice for AI generated video content platform. Then you click on open. Once you click on open, it's going to bring you to this interface where you have to click on start free trial. But you know that platform or this AI has the paid version and the free version. But today, this tutorial, I'm going to be using the free version to show you that you can use the free version to make your static image speak. So you go, you click on it, open, and then you click on create a video. Once you click on create a video, you can see that there are avatars here that you can use, the avatar here that you can use. But you can just come here and come. You can equally come and create an avatar that's giving it a prompt and to create an avatar for you, right? So if you want to equally use your picture, maybe for your faceless YouTube, I would prefer you can use this for a faceless YouTube channel. That is where it's going to give you more results. If you want to make your video look very realistic and then you want the images to be talking, you can just come to this place, input your avatar or input your image, your AI generated image, and it's going to speak what you want. Let's do the practical so you can see for yourself. So once you are here, you can create the avatar you want to use. Then these are free avatars that you can equally use to give it a prompt and it will speak. But if you want to use your own picture or you want to use your own image, just like I said, that you can use it for your faceless YouTube channel, you will just come and click on this plus button here and click on the standard avatar because we are using the free version, right? And then you get your images. You get your images and make your image speak. Let's take, for instance, we are using an image that we used for our video, for our faceless YouTube channel. We choose the image. It's coming up. This is the image. And then we want this image to speak. We want to tell this image what to do, what to say, how to write, how to speak, sorry, if it's friendly, natural, serious, and then we can add emotions, we can add movement too to it. And this image is going to say what we want. So I'm going to give this image a script. I will say, I am beautiful. I am beautifully and wonderfully made. Wonderfully made by God, right? So this is the prompt I am giving it. This is what I want the AI to say, or this is what I want the photo to say. And then I can come here and choose the character I want. If I want it in English, in Nigeria, if I want it in English, United States, I'm going to be choosing this English Nigeria. Yes, I want it to sound very realistic. Sound very, very realistic. If you have an audio already that you want to upload or you want to record it, you can equally come and click here and record the audio you want this photo to say, or you can come and upload the audio that you have already on your device that you want this image to say, right? Then you come here and increase the speed. If you want to increase the speed of the speech, you can increase it, you can reduce it. Then you go back to the avatar. You can come and make it sound happy or serious or emotional or natural. Like this, you can add emotions here. This is where you can add emotions. This is where you can add movement. You can make it lively. You can make it natural, right? So once you're done setting all you want to come and all you want to set, and make sure you title this, because if you don't title, it's going to come back and tell you to title it. You can say beautiful. Make sure you title it. You can say beautiful lady. Right? You can say beautiful lady. Then you come to this part and click on generate video. Let's go. Let's go. And it's going to generate your video in seconds. It's going to generate this video where this avatar or the photo or the image is saying the prompt that you gave it. Right? So this is it. You can play it. You download it.
Beautifully and wonderfully made by God.
Can you see? Can you see? This image is speaking, is saying what you want it to say, right? You can just go ahead and download this image to your device. Download this image to your device. So now I'm going to create my own using my own photo. Yes, I'm going to make my own photo to speak. Yes, so you just come back to the home page, which is this part, and then you come and click on create a video. Once you click on create a video, you will just come here and click on create, click on the standard avatar. Then I will go to my pictures to get the picture I want to use. For this, I will get this picture. Make sure the picture you're getting is facing front. Yes, don't use the picture that is facing side because it's not going to give you the results you need. So I will just click on it. It's coming up. So my photo is here, right? I'm just going to give it the script. Just going to give you a script. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I have a script on ChatGPT that I have made. Then I will come back and then click on scripts. Once I click on scripts, I will come and paste the script here. So I will enter the script, which is Alice, a small YouTuber from Nigeria teaching about AI, right? So I will go back to the avatar part and make it happy while speaking, which is the emotions I'm going to be adding, and make it natural, right? Make it natural. And then I will make sure I come and title this YouTuber, right? I've titled it enter. Make sure you enter so that it will save. I've titled it. I can come and give it the voice that I want. If I want to use a male voice, if I want to use a Nigerian voice, an Indian voice, right? I can come and change the gender here. If it's female, I want. I can come and choose the age I want. If it's young, old, adult. So I can just come and choose the one that I want here. And I will come and click. I'm still going to, if you can see, I'm still going to use that, right? Let me use Ada's voice. And then once I've inputted all I want, I will just come and click on generate video. Once I click on generate video, I will click on let's go. In seconds, it will just generate your video for you. So this is my video. It said we've successfully generated your video. I can just play my video.
I'm Alice, a small YouTuber from Nigeria teaching about AI.
Can you see? It just said the prompt that I gave it to. You can just simply download this and use it for your Faceless YouTube channel, use it for advertising, use it for selling your products. You can use it for your Instagram account, your TikTok, whichever way you want to use this AI. This AI is amazing. It will just make your static images to speak. right? It will make it lip sync and with the prompt you've given it to. So if you find this video helpful and you've watched to this extent, please subscribe, like, and comment so this value can get to more audience. Bye.